Om Namo Venkateshaya. Happy evening to everyone. People ask me, what is the secret for your look thin, you look young? It's nothing like that. See, looking thin doesn't matter actually, because once it comes to your weight, it is not the weight which is very important. It's actually the what the weight actually it is. It's whether it is a muscle weight, fat weight, or bone weight that actually matters to us. So just remove that weight part from your body. So as long as you are staying active, so the food which is making you active is the right food. The food which is making you dull is the wrong food. So this is the secret funda. So just don't go by the weight numbers on the weighing scale. See that really it is helping you, because 1 kg of fat looks like this, but 1 kg of muscle will look just like this. So once you are losing 200 to 500 grams of weight, there will be a decrease in the fat, that is inch loss happens. So inch loss is happening means that is a good sign, because the fat is reducing. So though the weighing scale shows it's 0.5 to 1 kg of weight loss, but if it is having an inch loss, that's a good sign actually, because you are losing your fat. Once you gain your muscles, it's only just little bit thing, that's it. So if your weighing machine is showing weight loss and your inch loss, that's a good sign. Please take it. So then the second tip what I wanted to tell is, it's not just the weight or weighing numbers which is very important to us. There is something more than that, that is we have to work on the emotions. Because as long as you are not keeping yourself pure, there is waste upon working on the physical body. So in order to stay pure, you need to have your own goals and look through those goals and walk through those goals and have a purpose to serve the people through your goal. So that's where the real happiness comes. The real happiness comes only when you start working for yourself and giving service to the people to give them the best results in whatever area they are suffering. So once you are result oriented in the people, then automatically your satisfaction starts and happiness starts. In this era of where the people are trying to pull down the other person, not stepping them up, you being that person to make their progress, you being a person to make their life better, is what exactly you are investing on yourself and also helping the others. So this is the emotional part which is very important in order to stay holistically healthy and happy. So start working on emotional part more than that of the physical part. So we can see that Mother Teresa, how radiant she is. Once we can see her, we'll come to know she hasn't done any physical exercises. But our emotional part is such a pure thing, so that reflects on our overall health. She looks so pure, so happy. I'm so inspired by her, Mother Teresa. So these are the few tips we have to work on ourselves in a holistic way. Just the weighing numbers, showing on the weighing scale, and deciding on yourself is a wrong funda, the mistake you are doing. So work yourself, think yourself holistically, think yourself as a complete person, growing in every area, so your life becomes beautiful and you will become successful. So for more such tips, like, comment and share my video. Thank you so much and have a very great day.